This is my bike check. I have Shadow Conspiracy metal gold bar ends, Mission grips, Kenda brake lever, Kink white brake cable, Mission stem, Kink midtown bars, Kenda contact front tire, premium pegs, King Volt forks, Alienation PBRM, Mission front hub, Kink launch frame, Mission component, cranks, Odyssey twisted pedals, KMC chain, Kink decimal sprocket. I got another premium peg in the back, Animal TWW tire, laced to a Odyssey Hazard back rim, Primo spokes, Primo nipples, Odyssey Hazard back hub, and animal seat post, S&M Toughman series seat clamp, and this is my hub sound.